Well, it's a nice and warm lunchtime hour heading into this afternoon. Temperature is going to continue to keep on climbing through this Wednesday. We are expected to see another hot afternoon with those heat index values rising heading into this afternoon. So a little bit of rainfall off to our north. It's not really a whole lot to be overly concerned about. Majority of the rain is staying well off to our south. We've got that area of low pressure that we're actually watching for the potential for tropical development. Get to that later on. We are warm all across the southeast. 86 right now in Nashville, Mobile, just 1 degree shy of the mid 90s. Here in Huntsville, we're sitting right at 92 degrees. 90 right now in Athens, Florence sitting at 90, Coleman already sitting at 90, Fort Payne sitting right at 87 degrees. So temperature is going to continue to climb into the low 90s. If you're not sitting there yet, you'll be in the low 90s. Just wait. We'll see mostly sunshine. A little bit of rainfall comes into the forecast later this afternoon as well, but it's really not going to be a whole lot to be too overly concerned about. In fact, some areas might even stay dry for this Wednesday. So some pop-up showers and storms could develop. This is right around 2 o'clock into the 3 o'clock hour, and then of course advancing this through the rest of the afternoon. Not expected to see a whole lot of rainfall, and that will be the case heading into our Thursday and our Friday as well. It's just one of those warm afternoons where we're expected to see those pop-up showers and thunderstorms that literally could pop up out of nowhere. So the heat advisory did get extended through tomorrow. This is until around 7 o'clock tomorrow. We don't have any word whether or not they're going to extend this into Friday either, or include our eastern counties. Jackson, DeKalb, Marshall County not included within this heat advisory, but the rest of us are, because we could potentially see heat index values reach as high as 109. So heat advisory criteria is either one of the two things. It's either when the heat index is forecasted to reach between 105 and 109, or when the air temperature is forecasted to reach between 100 and 104. So heat index is defined as how hot the weather feels to the human body when relative humidity is combined with the air temperature. So when we talk about the dew point values being in the mid to low 70s, that's what we mean by the amount of moisture that's in the atmosphere. So heat index values continuing to climb, should be around 106 for us here in Hunt later this afternoon. And then of course, as that sun starts to set, our temperature is going to follow suit. Heat index values going to stay elevated though through at least the next 5 days across the Tennessee Valley. 107 is the forecasted heat index heading into tomorrow, and we're going to stay in the lower 100s, potentially pushing 110 heading into next Monday. So heat impacts today, we've got areas of major heat impact and moderate heat impact. That really doesn't change heading into Thursday either. And then looking ahead into Friday, we do have more of a moderate impact rather than major, but either way, it's still going to be pretty hot for the next 3 days. So you definitely want to limit your time outdoors, stay hydrated with plenty of water, check on your pets and elderly. If you do have to be outdoors, you want to stick to light colored clothing, and exercise early in the day or later in the evening. This goes for the next 3 days, honestly probably through the weekend. And keep your blinds and your shades closed. So for tonight, a little bit of lingering rainfall could be a possibility. Majority of us going to be staying dry though, mid and upper 70s for the overnight. And then heading into tomorrow, we're going to be seeing plenty of sunshine with that chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms to develop in the afternoon. It's only about a 20% tomorrow, and then rain chances increase heading into the weekend. So about Friday, Saturday into Sunday, it's a 60% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms. Monday, looking ahead into next, about a 50. And then after Monday of next week, rain chances really start to lower off. Now, I mentioned earlier we're watching the area for development in the Gulf. It has about a 40% chance to develop into something tropical heading into the next 7 days. So this is just something that we're going to continue to keep our eyes on. As of right now, it's not forecasted to be anything, but it does have a slight chance to become a tropical wave. So 7-day forecast, upper 90s for today, mid 90s for tomorrow. A 60% chance of rain heading into Friday and into this upcoming weekend. Temperature is going to lower back into the lower 90s, and then looking ahead into the early part of next week, temperature is going to be staying in the low 90s, about a 50% chance for showers and thunderstorms heading into next Monday. Temperatures warm up a little bit looking ahead into next Tuesday. Highs looking to reach the upper 90s, and we will have about a 40% chance for scattered showers and thunderstorms.